क्लास 9th ही सब्जेक्ट साइंस फिजिक्स पार्ट है ये, चैप्टर 9। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, कैलकुलेट द मोमेंटम of a toy car of mass 200 gram moving with a speed of 5 meter per second. Solution: mass is equal to 200 gram is equal to 0.2 kg. Speed v is equal to 5 meter per second. Momentum P is equal to mv is equal to 0.2 multiply 5 is equal to 1 kg meter per second. Answer. Question number 2. What is the change in momentum of a car weighing 1500 kg when its speed in 36 km per hour to 72 km per hour uniformly. Solution: m is equal to 1500 kg, v1 is equal to 36 km per hour is equal to, इसको मीटर पर सेकंड में चेंज करेंगे, 36 multiply 5/18 मीटर पर सेकंड is equal to 10 मीटर पर सेकंड. P1 is equal to mv1, m 1500 multiply 10 is equal to 1500 kg meter per second. V2 is equal to 72 km per hour, इसको भी मीटर पर सेकंड में चेंज करेंगे, 72 multiply 5/18 मीटर पर सेकंड is equal to 20 मीटर पर सेकंड. मोमेंटम P2 is equal to mv2, 1500 multiply 20 is equal to 30,000 kg मीटर पर सेकंड. change the momentum P2 minus P1. 30,000 minus 15,000 is equal to 15,000 kilogram meter per second. Answer. A body of mass 25 kg has a momentum of 125 kg meter per second. Calculate the velocity of the body. Solution. M is equal to 25 kg, P is equal to 125 kg m per second. P बराबर mv और v बराबर p अपॉन m. 125 by 25, v is equal to 5 meter per second. Answer. Question number 4. A man throws a ball weighing 500 gram vertically upward with a speed of 10 meter per second. What will be initial momentum सेकंड पार्ट है इसका. व्हाट वुड बी मोमेंटम एट द हाईएस्ट पॉइंट. सॉल्यूशन. मास ऑफ ball is equal to 500 gram is equal to 0.5 kg. Initial velocity is equal to 10 meter per second. Initial momentum is equal to PV is equal to 0.5 multiply 10 is equal to 5 kgm per second. Second part. Velocity at the highest point is equal to 0 per meter second. 0 meter per second. चूँकि मोमेंटम of highest point is equal to 0.5 multiply 0 is equal to 0 kg meter per second. Answer 5. What is the force which produced an acceleration of 1 meter per second square in a body of mass 1 kg? Solution: m is equal to 1 kg, a is equal to 1 meter per second square, force F is equal to ma, 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1 Newton. Answer. Question number 6. Find the acceleration produced by a force of 5 Newton acting on a mass of 10 kg. Solution: F is equal to 5 Newton, m is equal to 10 kg. चूँकि F is equal to ma, then A is equal to F upon m is equal to 5 by 10 is equal to 0.5 meter per second square. Answer.